What's up, card family? Hope everybody's doing awesome tonight. I got a mail day here. Got a care package from BigD4Life, and it's a pretty good one. You're going to hear some fart sounds here coming up in a bit. He hit a lot of the counts. Videos have been few and far in between. Viewing other people's videos has been even fewer and farther in between. A lot of you guys don't know this, but I have a senior in high school right now, so been busy. Last weekend was prom, and tonight was his last band concert. We won an award, the Louis Armstrong Jazz Award, and he's in track and field. He got graduation coming up. We're just planning his graduation party. And meanwhile, Carly's in gymnastics, Blake's in trap shooting. There's work's crazy. So life's crazy. So that's why it has been the way it has been, Oh, by the way, just in case you thought I was a Jets fan, I'm not. The reason why that card's sitting out is because I bought new mags for it, but I never measured the card, of course, thinking it was a 55. And I bought a pack of 55s, and it's a 75. Won't fit in the 55. So, anyways, back to the video. You got a note here. Dusty, hope you like these cards. Cool. So that's from Scott. Scott, I think he's been pretty busy lately too. He hasn't made many videos, or I haven't even talked to him as much as I used to. This little wristband, Tidewater Cards and Collectibles.com. I'm going to have to check out that website. And hey, we'll put it on. What the hell, right? Doing a video. Free advertisement. Alright, let's get into these cards he sent. It's pretty tight. Maybe that'll be for Blake, because that's kind of tight on my chubby wrist. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got nice looking, so shiny, Dalvin Cook, Thunder Lane. Okay, we got a Kyle Rudolph. It's numbered 18 out of 49. And here we go. 2022 Mosaic Hall of Fame. And this is the Mosaic Prism Parallel. And then we got Mr. Harmon Killebrew on a 2021 Prism Old School Red, White, and Blue. Another one I didn't have. We got a Fran Tarkenton Red, White, and Blue. I didn't have that one either. Do not have a Fran Tarkenton count, though. Here we have the 2020 Select Light Blue die cut Larry Fitz. Boom, hits the Fitz counter. And here's one of the few base cards of Adam Thielen that I did not have. Had a couple of these parallels, but didn't have the base. So this is cool. Adds to the count. And we got a Illusions. This looks like it's some sort of parallel. Purple, maybe. Purple parallel, or maybe that's the way they are. The retail is. I don't know. Dalvin Cook. Just interesting to see what happens with him. We've got a DJ Wanham. Extra points. Here we go, another Adam Thielen. It's 21 Prism draft picks, orange ice. Boom. All right, then we got a Dalvin Cook orange ice. Nice one there. Here's a nice one, Danielle Hunter. This must be a blue parallel. 34 out of 49. Very cool. Then we got a Ryan Jeffers. Some sort of a green foil board. It's numbered out of 499. We got a really sweet looking Tony Oliva. This is off that 21 Chrome Anniversary. This is a refractor. I did not have that. And here we got a Chris Carter. This is SPX Finite 1998. And he had 3 cards in that set. All of them are numbered to a different amount. This one's numbered out of 10,100. Short print. So that one will hit the count. And then here we got a Melfrin Sosa out of 20 contenders draft. And 20 contenders. I don't know if it's draft or if it's an insert from regular. Excuse me. But anyways, I did not have a Melfrin Sosa autograph. He's a prospect. I believe he is still with the Twins organization, but I don't know where he's at right now. But that one will be this will be Twins autograph, unique autograph number. All right, and then we have a really cool Michael Bennett. Michael Bennett enjoyed a couple really good years with the Vikings. He was a really good running back, and this is a rookie. He had a lot of injuries. Rookies and Stars 2004 and numbered out of 250. Very cool. Couple more left. We got 2013 limited Fran Tarkenton orange, numbered out of 349. Very nice. Another one didn't have. I don't think I had a single one of these cards. Here's a Kane Wongwu playoff blue, kind of chromium version. That's numbered 44 out of 50. Pretty sweet. Last but definitely not least, this is a pretty sweet card. This is a 21 Obsidian Atomic Materials, and I think this is called it's like electric etching yellow, something like that, parallel. This one is numbered 6 out of 25. Now, this is a really nice looking 3-color patch. I don't have a lot of nice looking patch cards of Chris Carter. I do have some jersey cards, but not too many that have like 3 colors. Biggest reason is a lot of them are player worn, and I kind of have been avoiding those. But this is such a sweet looking card, it doesn't matter to me. This is says it's player worn / used, so you know they don't even know what it is. So let me put this in a mag. I got a One Touch right by me. So put it in there. Fits nicely in the 130. And snap it in. Look at that beauty. Man, cards look so much nicer in One Touches. Ooh, girlfriend! So that's pretty sick. Thanks very much, Scott. This one, of course, hits the fart counter. And appreciate, that's how grown folks say it, I appreciate you guys watching. And I did pick up one of those Topps super boxes, and I've been planning on opening it with Blake, but every time I get ready to do it, Blake's sleeping. So he keeps weird hours. He goes to bed early and gets up in the middle of the night, and so yeah, it's hard for me to get together with him to do some videos, but I'm trying to do that here pretty soon. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you later.